Owning plants is not easy. It is extremely time consuming and it requires a lot of knowledge and hard work. Hi, I'm Kristina from Leafy and I am here to make your life as a plant parent so much easier. I have 10 game-changing things to share with you that save me so much time in my plant care routine that I cannot keep it to myself. Let's go! First on the list we have the watering hose. This is probably the most life-changing investment that I have ever made, and it wasn't even that expensive. It is an expandable hose. You can just pop it into your indoor sink and then it expands when filled with water. This makes it extremely space efficient and it saves me so much time when watering. Watering my plants would take me 3 hours roughly before buying this hose. Now I only need 1 hour for all of my plants. As a bonus, it is extremely versatile. You can use it to wash your plants outside. You can do your dishes if you want to. It has much more uses than just watering. Number 2 is jewelry. Looking my best is extremely motivating to me, and that's why I'm extremely thrilled to announce today's sponsor, Ana Luisa. As a creator, I love how jewelry makes me instantly more confident. Since I show my face on camera a lot, I like to dress up and put some fine jewelry on. In turn, I have much more fun doing plant chores, filming, editing, and it shows. I got to choose 4 pieces. As a Nicky Nasty fangirly, I decided I wanted to try and stack on some rings. I chose the model Cody and Amara Black. To be honest, I'm much more impressed with the necklace. This is the Yusuf Gold. It has a little note that says BU on it. It's super cute. I love the weight of the necklace. It fits really nicely. Love it. Lastly, I chose earrings. They are called Scarlet and they have 2 hoops in one. For losers like me that only have 1 ear piercing, that is perfect because now it looks like I have much more stacked earrings than I do. All of the pieces have such a nice weight to them and they are really well made, and most importantly, they look amazing, don't they? I think jewelry really helps to elevate each look, and who doesn't want to feel pretty and confident, right? Click the first link in the description and check out their fine gold and silver jewelry. And maybe you can get a head start on Christmas gifts for your loved ones. Next up we have the Careo Rose Spray. I know pests are part of the hobby, but it doesn't have to be hard to treat them. This stuff is an extremely effective systemic pesticide, so it treats all sucking insects, and it works especially great on thrips in my experience. For the next item, I really wish I got it sooner because it is so good and so versatile. I use it almost every day. It is my 5-liter pressure spray bottle. It is absolutely essential for watering moss poles, moss walls, or hanging baskets. In there you can dilute fertilizer and water your plants with it. It is also useful for pest treatment because you can mix and dilute your pesticide in there and then spray it directly onto your plants. You are very mobile with this. You can just carry it around on your shoulder, and then whenever you need it, you can pump up the pressure and then spray whatever you need to spray. Next item. The next item is a classic staple piece, and it is my hygrometer. Hygrometer.
Hygrometer.
It is a device which you can use to gauge the moisture levels in your soil. Especially in the beginning of my plant career, I used this thing all of the time. You can stick it into the soil and it will show you how wet or dry the soil is. You can gauge the wetness of your soil with your finger, a wooden stick, or maybe by just lifting the pot up. But if you are unsure, this device is really handy. Number 6 on the list are my watering trays. Doesn't matter if it's food trays, watering trays, baking sheets, whatever. If you grow a lot of small plants or propagations, this will save you so much time when watering. Ever since leaving on vacation, I got these trays, put all of my plants in there, and then you simply have to bottom water one time into the tray and all of the plants will be watered. Just like that. It is simple, easy, and a cheap solution as well. I will definitely link the ones I have down below. Next up, I want to talk about grow lights. You know, I'm very passionate about grow lights. I have a lot of them in my home. If you are really serious about collecting plants and growing them to their full potential, if you want happy and healthy plants, then think about grow lights. There are so many different kinds of grow lights. I'm sure you will find something fitting for you. You will see that your plants will grow faster, bigger, and more resilient, and all of your propagations will root better and your success rate will go up as well. Just do it, okay? Number 8 on the list are plastic boxes. I like to call these plant spas. But really, all jokes aside, if you're struggling with propagations or if you have a plant that looks a little bit beat up, just get a see-through plastic container, stick it in there, and the added humidity and warmth will do wonders for your plants. Plus, you can get multiple use out of them. You can transport plants in them, you can separate pest-ridden plants from your collection, or you can treat plants that have spider mites because these suckers hate humidity. Another item that I use all over the house is jute rope. I use this shit for everything. Making macrame hangers, decorating things, attaching plants to moss poles or trellises. It is a very cheap and sustainable alternative to those Velcro tapes because it's made out of natural fiber. Next up, I've written down see-through pots. And these take so much stress away from me, it's insane. Just being able to see the roots, how moist the soil is, if the plant needs to be watered, if everything is alright, is such a game changer, especially for expensive plants that stress you out or plants that you care about a lot. Now, please let me know what you think of these items. Are they practical, useful, and time-saving, or are they utter garbage maybe? And most importantly, do you have any more tips and tricks or useful items that you can recommend to our community here? Leave it down below in the comments. And before you click off now, you can help me out and click the link down below, visit the Ana Luisa website, check out the jewelry, and I'll see you next time. Until then, enjoy your plants and goodbye! Bye bye. Bye.